So now we're going to extrude this out. So first we're going to sketch this all. Now once you've sketched it out, you can click extrude, remove, and click symmetric. I need to edit my sketch, my extrusion, so you can just skip this part. Okay, I'm just going to extend the curvature a little bit. Okay, so now I've sliced the window. No, I've done the curvature. So we're just going to simply click symmetric. I'm going to do it on both sides. Now once you've done that, you can you can trace out the windows. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click the face of this, and now we're gonna trace out this window. So I'm just gonna do it like this. This might take a while for you, but I'm just gonna do it like that. And now I'm connecting all the points. Okay, so that's it. Oh, oops. Okay, that's it. Let's click OK. And now let's go into the third person view. And extrude it.